How to share your cart in Blinkit. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share it. First of all, open the application. So now I'm in my home page. Here on the bottom, you can see the view cart button. Simply tap on view cart. So basically this is the place where you can find all the products that you have added inside your cart. Here you can find everything, even the quantity and the amount. Now, in order to share it with other people, here on the right top, you can see this share button. Simply tap on share. Now, a link will be created with which you can share it with other people. You can directly share it through other social media platforms, and the person opening the link will be able to view all the products that you have in your cart, and they can even order it directly. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.